your last day strategy and what should be your exam strategy for IMS CT 2024. Now there is no time to learn any new topic, okay, or whatever you have studied till now, just practice that. Practice the questions, learn the formulas, practice the numericals as much as you can.
Watch your six.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Jagtap and today in this video I am going to tell you about what should be your last day strategy and what should be your exam strategy for IMS CT 2024. So when I talk about last day strategy, according to me, now there is no time to learn any new topic, okay. So whatever you have revised till now or whatever you have studied till now, just practice that, okay. Practice the questions, learn the formulas, practice the numericals as much as you can, okay. Most of you have doubt that we have not done this topic, we have not done that topic, so what should we do? According to me, the best thing is, even if you have not done the topic, so now there is no time to do that topic, at least try to mug up the formulas. There might be high possibilities that the question is formula based, so at least you can apply the formula and get the answer. That saves your 1 marks, okay. So do not leave any formulas of physics or maths, okay. Learn all the formulas even though if you have not done the concepts. Now if I talk about maths part, practice as much as questions you can, okay. Heights and distance, 3D vectors, after that your differentiation integrations, but the catch is there might be chances that the questions are lengthy, okay. So at least try to figure out some tricks or shortcuts so that you can solve question in less possible time, okay, because we can't dedicate more time for the questions, okay. We have less time, we have to do strategically everything. Now if I come to your English and general aptitude part, I would say, if most of the people have doubt like how to study, how to go about vocabulary thing, I would say go through dictionary, whatever word you can memorize, try to memorize it, okay. It is not like that कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा high level देंगे या बहुत ही ज़्यादा मतलब एकदम खतरनाक level का question देंगे, ऐसा नहीं है. At least try to memorize the vocabulary questions as much as you can. Just go through about dictionary, okay. Another thing, most of the people have doubt in general aptitude. I would say, even if you have mugged up the formula for general aptitude, at least try to solve some questions, because only by mugging up the formula you won't get the answer tomorrow. Maybe you need some practice in general aptitude, maybe they can be little bit tricky, especially those ratio proportions and your time and distances questions, okay, and your simple and compound interest question. Practice these type of questions because they can be tricky. Other than that, just have some practice of blood relation, series completion, okay. Then if we talk about your physics part, as I already mentioned, try to go about the formula, solve whatever formulas you can learn, okay. Even if you have not done the topic, then try to solve the numericals, whatever you are confident about, okay. Then you should go through the concepts which you have done till now, okay. Do not go through any new concepts, okay, fine. Now if I talk about the exam strategy, what should be your exam strategy, how should you attempt the questions? So we all know that IMS CT is of 3 hours, okay, and we have 200 questions to solve. What I suggest is, we have 40 questions of English, okay. Those who are good in English, first go through English part and solve the 40 question in just 20 minutes, okay, like 30 seconds for one question. Then you have another 40 minutes for 40 aptitude questions. Solve as much as you can. Try to take as less possible time in English and general aptitude. If you are able to solve in 40 minutes or 50 minutes both the sections, like 80 questions in 40 and 50 minutes, then you are saving time for your PCM, okay. Then when it comes to PCM, what I will suggest is, whichever part you are comfortable about, it can be either maths, chemistry or physics, try to attempt that part first, okay. Because if you will attempt that part first, you will be able to solve that quickly, and then the part which you are not confident about, like it can be maths, okay, you are having more time for it, okay, so you can solve it later because you are having more time in hand. Maybe you can take more time for solving that type of questions. Then according to me, what's the best thing to solve general aptitude is, always have a pen and paper handy with you, okay. Because there might be chances if the question comes on sitting arrangement, he's sitting on the left, then he's sitting on the right, so you might get confused who is on whose left or who is on whose right. So at least draw the diagram. If there's a circular table or a line, draw a diagram, and you will be able to get what the answer is. Okay. And last, because you are drawing the diagram, so you will get to, like, you last the, if in last line he asks ki who is sitting on whose right, so you will be able to form like he is on his right or he is on his left. So always have a pen and paper handy for aptitude. Okay. And then, as I said, form the tricks, because question can be lengthy, you have to solve as early as possible. So try to form some tricks, dedicate some time of today to form some tricks of how to solve the questions. Okay. Another thing which no one talks about is, please have a proper sleep before going to exam. Okay. Do not go with fatigued mind for the exam, because there might be chances whatever you have studied and whatever you are like prepared. Okay, if you go with the fatigued mind, you haven't slept, okay, you have just slept for 2 hours, 3 hours, maybe chances you will not be able to recall that topic. Okay, and your mind will be like your mind is already fatigued. Okay, so that's what will happen is your मतलब चिड़चिड़े हो जाओगे. ठीक है, हो सकता है क्वेश्चन सॉल्व ना हो पाए, फ्रस्ट्रेशन होने लगे. सो एटलीस्ट हैव अ प्रॉपर 8 आवर्स स्लीप. ओके, बिकॉज जितनी प्रिपरेशन अभी तक करी है पूरी वेस्ट हो जाएगी अगर प्रॉपर स्लीप नहीं ली तो. प्रॉपर स्लीप से मेरा मतलब है माइंड को रेस्ट दो. ठीक है, फैटिग माइंड से एग्जाम देने जाओगे, क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं होंगे, अपना ही टाइम वेस्ट करोगे, बिकॉज यू हैव वर्कड सो हार्ड फॉर योर करियर. Okay, and you have one shot. If you will, you have to make it. Okay, other than, if you will not, you will have a 1 year back. So at least have a proper sleep, practice the questions, go with calm mind for the exam, and do your best for tomorrow's IMUCT. All the best, and I hope you will be able to score good marks in IMUCT. Thank you.